Hello everybody, today we're going to be making potato pancakes, and you can make this for the Super Bowl party you're having. And these are the ingredients. I'll put a link down in the description box for the food processor. We start off by washing our potatoes, peeling them and cutting them into little cubes. Also, we cut the onion and we put it all in the food processor. What we want is a puree consistency. So chop and blend. For this next part, you can use a regular strainer or a cheesecloth, which is what I will be using. I will put a link to it on the description box. What we do now is we squeeze all the liquid out. Then we discard the liquid. Now it's time to add all the ingredients. We add the egg, the flour, salt and pepper to taste. And this is the consistency we are looking for. Now we're ready to go to the stove. We then add our oil. We let it heat up for a little bit. Okay, now with the help of a spoon, you grab the mixture and you start putting them in the pan like so. Once they start looking golden brown, we then turn them around and start frying the other side. We start placing them in a paper towel so the extra oil can get absorbed. We can always add a little bit more of oil. This recipe, you will make about 12 potato pancakes, perfect for dinner, for the kids, or just as an appetizer. You can always serve these with sour cream or ketchup. We're done, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!